In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best yoga mats. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best yoga mats. Number 5, Manduka PRO Superlite. For yogis on the go, the Manduka PRO Superlite yoga mat is the ultimate travel companion. Weighing just 2.2 pounds and measuring 1.5 millimeters thick, this mat is incredibly lightweight and foldable, making it easy to pack in a suitcase, backpack, or gym bag. Despite its ultra-thin profile, it still provides exceptional grip, thanks to its natural rubber surface with a closed-cell design that prevents moisture from seeping in. Whether you're practicing in a hotel room, a park, or a studio, the PRO Superlite offers a stable and slip-resistant foundation for your movements. Sustainability is another major highlight of this mat. Made from biodegradable, 100% natural tree rubber with non-toxic foaming agents, it is free from PVC and harmful plasticizers. Even the production process is eco-friendly, with all manufacturing scrap repurposed to minimize waste. While the thinness means it doesn't provide as much cushioning as standard mats, it's perfect for those who prioritize portability and need a durable, high-quality mat that can easily be taken anywhere. If you're a frequent traveler or just need a compact yoga mat, the Manduka PRO Superlite is a top-tier choice. Number 4, Gaiam Classic Solid. The Gaiam Classic Solid yoga mat is an excellent choice for beginners and casual practitioners looking for affordability, without sacrificing performance. With a textured, non-slip surface, this mat helps you maintain stability in various poses while offering a comfortable level of cushioning. It's slightly longer and wider than standard yoga mats, making it a great option for taller individuals or those who prefer extra space to move. At 5 millimeters thick, it provides ample support for your joints, making it suitable for yoga, Pilates, and other floor exercises. One of the standout features of this mat is its reversible design, allowing you to switch between 2 different colors to match your mood or style. Made from PVC, it's also a great alternative for those with latex sensitivities. However, since it may be a bit slippery at first, it's recommended to clean it with a mat wash or vinegar solution before use to enhance its grip. If you're looking for a budget-friendly yoga mat that still offers reliable comfort and traction, the Gaiam Classic Solid yoga mat is a fantastic choice. Number 3, JadeYoga Harmony. If you're looking for an eco-friendly yoga mat that delivers top-tier grip and durability, the JadeYoga Harmony yoga mat is a standout choice. Made from natural rubber, this mat offers a superior open-cell surface that absorbs moisture and provides excellent traction, preventing slipping even during the most intense hot yoga sessions. At 3/16 of an inch thick, it strikes a perfect balance between cushioning and stability, making it a favorite among yoga instructors and practitioners alike. Whether you're holding a warrior pose or flowing through sun salutations, the JadeYoga Harmony keeps you steady and supported. What makes this mat even more special is JadeYoga's commitment to sustainability. Unlike many synthetic mats, the Harmony is free from PVC, phthalates, and other harmful chemicals. Plus, for every mat sold, JadeYoga plants a tree, making this an environmentally responsible choice. The natural rubber material does require some extra care. Using a plant-based mat wash will help maintain its texture and longevity. If you want a high-performance mat that aligns with your values and enhances your practice, the JadeYoga Harmony is a perfect fit. Number 2, Liforme Original. The Liforme Original yoga mat is all about precision, performance, and sustainability. Designed by yogis for yogis, this mat is equipped with a unique Liforme system that acts as a built-in guide for proper hand and foot placement, helping you perfect your alignment and reduce the risk of injury. The mat is 4.2 millimeters thick, offering a great balance of comfort and stability while still being easy to transport. What really sets it apart is the Grip4Me surface, which provides an outstanding non-slip grip, even in the sweatiest of sessions. If you've ever struggled with slipping hands and feet, this mat ensures that you stay grounded and focused throughout your practice. Beyond performance, the Liforme mat is also a win for the planet. Made from eco-friendly, non-toxic materials, it is completely PVC-free and biodegradable. Unlike some mats that degrade quickly or require harsh chemicals to maintain, the Liforme is built to last while staying true to its environmentally conscious design. It even comes with a free yoga bag, making it easy to carry to and from class. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced practitioner, this mat helps enhance your flow, giving you both the structure and support needed to deepen your practice. Number 1. Manduka PRO. The Manduka PRO yoga mat is a game changer for serious yogis and fitness enthusiasts. With a 6mm ultra-dense cushion, it offers unparalleled support and stability, making every pose feel more comfortable and secure. Its high-density construction ensures excellent joint protection, whether you're flowing through vinyasa sequences or holding deep stretches. Unlike many mats that wear out over time, the Pro is built to last a lifetime and only improves with use. The closed-cell surface repels moisture, making it easy to clean and maintain. Plus, it's responsibly made in an emissions-free German facility, so you can feel good about your choice while perfecting your poses. One of the standout features of the Manduka PRO is its textured, non-slip surface that gets better with each use. While it requires a breaking-in period, once fully seasoned, the grip is second to none, allowing you to flow seamlessly without slipping. Whether you're practicing at home, in the studio, or even in hot yoga classes, this mat holds up under pressure. To keep it fresh, Manduka recommends using their specially formulated cleaning sprays. This is not just a yoga mat. It's an investment in your practice, designed to elevate your experience and withstand years of use. And there you have it, 5 of the best yoga mats designed to enhance your flow, provide stability, and support your practice in every way. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comments section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.